So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro software, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can add the by default transitions in between the multiple video editing clips. And it would be very convenient if you are adding a lot of clips. It's basically the shortcut method of adding the transition in between the clips. So all you have to do is to simply open the Premiere Pro software and create a project and import the clips. Basically, I've created a project named Untitled and imported some clips that I want to edit. Now if I arrange these clips on the project, you can see once I arrange all these clips, now if I want to add the transition in between these clips, or I have to go to the effects panel and add the transition, and it's a very big process. So if you want to add the by default transition in these clips, all you have to do is to just simply select any of the clip in which you want to add transition and click Ctrl plus D on keyboard. When you click this, you can see a by default transition has been added to the clips, which is cross dissolve. Again, when you tap this tab, whenever you want to add the transition at the joints or at the end of the clips, just simply select that point and press Ctrl plus D on the keyboard, and the transition will be added in between your clips. You can do this with multiple positions of the editing timeline, and you can see by pressing Ctrl plus D, by default transition has been added to my clips, and it is a very easy and convenient method to add the transition between clips, and it's a very short process as well. So by this method you can add the by default transitions in between the clips, but it has a down point that it only apply the default transition which is currently cross dissolved. It does not apply the random transition in between your clips. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.